Our group shows a reservation system for a hotel. This is our group members and I am Htet. These are the outlines of our presentation. I will explain introduction, program statements, goals, solution approach, and class diagram, and so course explanation will be explained by our other group member. About introduction, the system is intended for the guests to be able to book a reservation at the Rose Hotel conveniently with just a few clicks. We designed for the guests with the option to pick any package. Our purpose is to create a user-friendly, easily accessible, and trustful system for the guests and the hotel. About problem, normally hotel reservation websites are complicated and difficult to use for people who are unfamiliar with technology. Customers who do not speak local language do not need to communicate in person. Traditional hotel booking system via phone lines, transparency such as room description such as abilities and pricing. About goal, we aim to create a website system to be an accessible and user-friendly system. Moreover, our purpose is to construct a trustworthy website for the guests in order to begin a helpful website to complete the guest intention for their trip. This is the solution approach to our system. Our system displays clear room description and pricing and online booking. This is the class diagram of our system. Our hotels have booking rooms and also meet services. We have 7 classes to run our system.
In room class, we put some instant variable constructor method and some data setter method. Now, for booking room class, we use 3 methods which are personal info, book room, and stat methods. The user personal info method is to collect the user personal information like their name and a phone number. To allow the user info, we apply scanner object and also use a while loop to validate the user info. And for the data type, we use string and long respectively. Also, we use input mismatch exception to handle the invalid info. For example, when the user enters string data type for phone number, the program will output an error message and prompt the user to enter the correct input again. The next method, book room, is to allow the user to input their duration of stay, room type that they want, and the number of rooms they need. Then the method will check whether a room of they want is available. If a room type is not available, the method will display a message saying that no rooms of the type are available. If a room is available, then the method will set the availability of the room to false and will display the room number to the user. Once the user has chosen all the rooms they want, the method will display the total room price by adding the room price multiplied by the duration of the user stay. For the list of available rooms, we use an array list, saying it is easy for adding, removing, and sorting elements. So when the room is booked, it will remove from the array list, and when a booking is canceled, the room will be added back to the array list. We use a while loop and a for loop to ask the user repeatedly until they enter a valid input for the duration of stay, total number of rooms they want, and for the room type. We use a scanner object to allow the user input and also use input mismatch exception to catch the invalid output. Finally, the step method, where the step method will call the user personal info and book room methods to run the program.
Now I will explain how the meal service of our hotel is working. Our meal service allows users to select their desired meal. The program provides 2 options for dinner, a mid-diet plan and a halal diet plan. We have created 4 classes for meal service. Meal service class, dinner class and normal diet plan class and halal diet plan. Meal service class. Meal service, which contain the dinner service method. The dinner service method initializes two objects, normal diet plan and seafood diet plan, which are instead of the normal diet plan and halal diet plan classes, respectively. We use scanner class for Java and Thai package to read user input. The user can choose whether they would like to order dinner or not. If the user chooses to order dinner, they will be asked to select their desired diet plan. Once the user select their diet plan, they will be presented with a menu list to choose from. The program will keep track of the dishes the user select and calculate the total price from their order. The dinner class. The dinner class is a superclass that contains the common attributes and methods for both diet plans. The normal diet plan. The normal diet plan and halal diet plan classes extend the dinner class and provide specific implementation for their respective diet plans. Normal diet plans and halal diet plans function the same. The only difference is that they will have different menu lists. In the normal diet plan class, there are two methods: display normal diet menu and choose a dish method. Display normal diet menu, read the menu taskbar from SRC folder and display on the screen. Choose a dish method, handle what dishes user choose and calculate the price. This is a step with the halal diet plan class. Overall, the source code is a simple program that demonstrates inheritance and fine I/O in Java.
This is the main program for a hotel application. The program starts by creating a new instance of the booking room class and calling it start method. This class is likely contain functionality for the hotel booking rooms. The next program creates a new instance of the meal service class and call it dinner service method. This class probably contains the functionality for providing meal service to the guests at the hotel. So now I'm going to run the source code. The output will show the interaction between the user and the hotel application. So firstly I have to type my name here, and then I will type the phone number. If I type their other string other than the integer, it will loop again to receive the input. So our hotel check-in and check-out time is from 12 p.m. to the next day 12 p.m. How long will I be staying? So I will enter the duration to 2 days. So I will choose the total number of room to 2. And I will choose the single room first. And then I will choose so our single room is room number 101. So I will choose another double room. So our double room number is 121, and the total price is 3,000. So the system will ask if I will choose their meal service or not. If I type 2, the system will exit. If I have to type 1, and the system will let me choose their normal diet and halal diet. Now I will choose the normal diet, so I have to type 1. So I will choose the Pad Thai, so I have to type 1. So I have to type 1, and then the Head time price is 15 baht. And then I will choose the chicken fried rice. So I have to type 9. And then chicken fried rice price is 15 baht. And then I will quit the system. So the total price is 100 baht. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you so much for your time and attention.